Hello guys, today welcome to my channel. Oh, what's this? Today I'm going to show you one portable stove which is available in the market, and it's very useful for the outing and for the camping. It comes in a plastic box, as you can see. You can open it like this, and here you can see a single stove box. This very handy and very comfortable to use also. I will show you. This is this cartridge here. You can use it. It's very cheap, available outside. It can run lasting like 5 to 6 hours. With one can you can use it. It's very simple to use. Just put it here, close it, and you have to turn around this burner, then lock it and just turn it on. So this is a very useful thing. You should have it in your car when you have to want a tea or something like outside. You can enjoy it. And thank you very much guys. Please like my channel, subscribe. My channel name, oh what's this. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.